Sales agents require a lot of information to be memorized, and large language models are very good at summarizing them from a tremendous source of knowledge and information. That's the value add they bring in. It brings productivity to the sales team. They are able to answer questions, resolve issues, and engage with customers much more deeply and much more faster. That enables more sales, and also it enables more customer satisfaction. That's what we would say. I think one of the key challenge would be reproducibility of the LLMs itself, but that's about the solutioning. But the broader challenge is implementation of these solutions at scale for enterprises. I think the industry is still advancing learning at that stage, where how do they productionize some of these solutions. And mitigations, there are a lot of solutions available out there, but choices and decisions have to be taken carefully while we decide on productionization. What we see is a lot of POCs are happening where the idea is being tested out, and then a huge testing phase, UAT testing phase, followed by a production phase. So most of the industry is in the UAT testing phase, which is quite promising that things will go into production sooner than later. There's one of the call center providers where we implemented the solution. Like I said, it's currently in the testing phase, and agents are using it round the clock as we see. I think there are 500 agents who are using it, definitely tracking the productivity. That's one of the things that we are seeing, and they're definitely excited about the tool and also sharing feedback continuously on the tool. And that's overall the metrics would come out, and they would know how much of productivity that gain they had.